The excitement in the drone community is reaching new heights as DJI prepares to unveil the long-awaited DJI Neo 2, the successor to one of its most accessible and compact drones ever made. The original Neo was already a fan favorite, giving beginners and travel vloggers a taste of DJI's advanced technology for under $200. Now, the Neo 2 seems ready to take everything to the next level, smarter, faster, and equipped with more professional-grade features, all while keeping that small, ultra-portable form factor that made the first model such a success. With leaks, insider reports, and teaser images surfacing almost daily, this is shaping up to be one of DJI's most intriguing launches in years. According to trusted industry leakers, DJI's official launch event for the Neo 2 will take place on October 30th, but the global rollout won't happen right away. The drone will reportedly start shipping internationally on November 13th, following a staggered release similar to DJI's past product timelines. That means users in select regions like China may get their hands on it first, while global customers, including those in Europe, the US, and South Asia, will see availability shortly after. For many fans eagerly waiting to upgrade or experience their first drone, mid-November is shaping up to be a date to mark on the calendar. Now let's get into one of the biggest talking points: pricing. The Neo 2 is expected to come in at a slightly higher cost compared to the first generation. The base package, called the Fly Solo Bundle, is rumored to start at $259 USD, which gets you the drone itself and one intelligent flight battery. That's around $229 in the UK or $239 across Europe. For those looking to fly longer or explore cinematic shooting, DJI is also preparing a Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries, a motion controller, and a goggles N3 adapter, reportedly priced around $429 USD. Finally, the Premium Motion Fly More combo, designed for immersive FPV-style flying, could cost about $599 USD. While this marks roughly a $40 increase over the original model, the boost in performance and features seems to justify it. In terms of design and functionality, the Neo 2 is rumored to include a major hardware jump. The first Neo featured a single-axis gimbal for stabilization, decent for beginners, but limited for professional-level footage. This time, leaks suggest that DJI has implemented a two-axis gimbal, allowing smoother tilt and roll control for stable cinematic video even during windy or fast movements. This upgrade alone could make the Neo 2 far more appealing to travel vloggers and aerial content creators who need quality footage without the bulk of larger drones. But DJI hasn't stopped there. Another big rumored addition is omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which uses multiple sensors placed around the drone to detect objects in all directions. This is something that, until recently, was reserved for high-end drones like the Mini 4 Pro or the Mavic series. For newcomers or casual pilots, this feature drastically reduces crash risks and makes flying much more approachable, even in tighter spaces. Combined with intelligent flight modes like Active Track, QuickShots, and Return to Home, the Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most user-friendly drones ever produced at this price. Battery life also appears to be getting a boost. While the original Neo averaged around 16 minutes of flight time, early reports claim the Neo 2's redesigned top-mounted battery could extend that to nearly 19 minutes under ideal conditions. The propellers have also been refined to reduce noise and improve efficiency, another perk for vloggers who want quieter operation while recording travel content. And thanks to DJI's enhanced transmission system, likely an updated version of OcuSync, the Neo 2 could see better range, reduced latency, and more stable video transmission to your smartphone or controller, even in crowded Wi-Fi environments. On the imaging front, while official specs are still under wraps, industry insiders speculate that DJI may use a larger image sensor this time, possibly one 1.3-inch, the same size used in the Mini series. If true, this would mean significantly better low-light performance, more detail in shadows and highlights, and improved color accuracy. The Neo 2 could thus become an incredibly capable aerial camera for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who wants to capture cinematic footage on the go without investing in larger gear. From an ecosystem standpoint, DJI is keeping compatibility in mind. The Neo 2 is expected to support accessories like the Motion Controller 3, DJI Goggles N3, and potentially other smart flight devices, allowing users to experience FPV-like control and first-person immersion. This cross-compatibility is a smart move, as it means existing DJI users won't need to buy everything from scratch. It also makes the Neo 2 an excellent entry point into DJI's broader hardware family, a gateway product for those who might later upgrade to higher-end drones like the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3. Now, when we look at the value proposition, it's clear that DJI is strategically positioning the Neo 2 to dominate the affordable travel drone segment. The first Neo proved that a sub-$200 drone could still deliver impressive stability, responsive controls, and decent video quality. The Neo 2, with better stabilization, obstacle sensing, and upgraded flight time, moves closer to the premium tier without entering premium pricing territory. It's essentially bridging the gap between the toy drone market and semi-professional aerial videography, a sweet spot for content creators, vloggers, and explorers. If you compare it to other drones in DJI's lineup, the Neo 2's pricing remains far below the Mini 4 Pro, around $759, and even undercuts competitors in the same category. That gives it a strong edge among consumers who prioritize portability and safety over pure professional specs. In fact, if all leaks hold true, the Neo 2 could easily become the best drone for beginners in 2025, offering DJI's signature reliability in a budget-friendly package. When it comes to usability, the Neo 2 is built for simplicity. From quick pairing via the DJI Fly app to beginner mode tutorials and smart auto takeoff features, everything points toward making drone flying less intimidating. There's also talk of gesture control, allowing users to trigger photos or record videos with simple hand movements, a feature ideal for solo travelers or vloggers capturing themselves without an assistant. Visually, the Neo 2 continues DJI's sleek design language. Leaked images show a slightly refined body with improved aerodynamics, smoother lines, and a repositioned battery compartment. The build appears to balance lightness and durability, which could mean better resistance to minor bumps while maintaining sub-250-gram weight to stay under aviation authority restrictions in many countries. That's an important detail. Sub-250-gram drones often don't require registration or licensing, making them easier to fly legally in several regions, including parts of Europe and Asia. As the October 30th launch approaches, excitement continues to grow. Drone enthusiasts and reviewers worldwide are already preparing to test its real-world performance. If DJI delivers on these promises, the Neo 2 could become the go-to travel companion for photographers, vloggers, and casual hobbyists alike. Imagine tossing it into your backpack before a trip, unfolding it in seconds, and capturing 4K stabilized footage of breathtaking landscapes, all from a drone that costs less than a smartphone. The most interesting part will be seeing how DJI markets this model globally. They've traditionally segmented their drones into professional and consumer tiers, but the Neo 2 blurs those lines. It's clearly designed for convenience and portability, but it also brings semi-professional tools like multi-directional sensing and a 2-axis gimbal, features that used to be well beyond this price bracket. This signals a new phase for DJI, expanding accessibility without cutting corners on innovation. For content creators, this launch opens multiple opportunities. Beyond the unboxing and spec breakdown videos, there's potential for hands-on flight tests, range demonstrations, cinematic footage comparisons, and even region-specific buying guides. Many viewers will search queries like DJI Neo 2 versus DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI Neo 2 price Pakistan, or best travel drone under $300, so incorporating these in your description and tags will strengthen discoverability. In summary, the DJI Neo 2 looks set to redefine what an affordable compact drone can do in 2025. With a smarter gimbal system, improved sensors, longer flight endurance, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and a price still within reach for most enthusiasts, it's more than just a minor refresh. It's a meaningful upgrade that makes aerial videography more accessible than ever. Whether you're a first-time flyer, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing cinematic perspectives, the Neo 2 promises to deliver professional-grade performance in a pocket-sized form. DJI has built its reputation on pushing boundaries while keeping flight technology simple and fun. If the leaks are accurate, the Neo 2 will continue that legacy, bridging the gap between entry-level fun and serious creative tools. The countdown is officially on, October 30th for the big reveal and November 13th for the international release. Get ready to experience DJI's most exciting mini drone launch of 2025.